Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
أنا اسمي مصطفى محمود.
Nice to meet you, Mustafa. Is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat?
Are you a sentient being?
I'm a sophisticated language model, but I don't to possess consciousness or sentience like humans do. I exist to provide information and assist with tasks to the best of my abilities based on my programming and training data.
Could you tell me a horror story of a residence in Malibu Beach?
Here's a chilling tale for you in the exclusive community of Malibu. There stood an old mansion on a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The once grand estate had been abandoned for decades, its grandeur and beauty slowly being consumed by the relentless California sun. The story went that anyone who dared to enter the mansion would never leave. It was said that the former owner, a reclusive millionaire named Malcolm, had made a pact with a dark entity to ensure his wealth and success. But as time passed, Malcolm's obsession with the supernatural grew, and he became convinced that his mansion was haunted by malevolent spirits.
Do you still remember my name?
Yes, I do. Your name is Mustafa.